Baik bukan diam dia.
Thank you very much, Commander. Yes, today you'll join me, Mark Gane. Obviously, I have to stop the music because I miss my commander. So obviously, I have to stop the music and get into the program. Yes, you will able to join, inshallah. You can call my WhatsApp. Nina WhatsApp Commander, inshallah, I will join you, Commander Mark Gane. Guys, inshallah, man lafika mejam bake. Just little update. Left a call the Gambian call drong. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. Badin Gambian kolu atul melia lonko Alben Jibe kang nintembe na UDP Media and TV. Bafale na commande Kiev menkata na Kiev Angoti menkata Sana Jajuti UDP Media and TV bafale ko baraka bake. The UDP Media and TV UDP Bantaba UDP Kibaro UDP Bantaba ila Kiev Anko menkata Seku Sedility UDP Kibaro ila Kiev Anko menkata or the commander ila technician ba menketa pa maneti ba fulal be ko alimbara so kuta nyama anko late better than never na tarde world officer atara manna. So as far as we have the intention to come covering around 5 o'clock, but because of yalom bari munko anim ko do temo so ole atinda manna no but Najeko kumatele as far as we promise people that minale bi so to be kanandang atara manna wala atinana drum purnali kacha anyway pour diamo kana siadron inshallah mbadi ngambien kolu anal badima silifo sonko aka bayo sonko anlu wole be jambi ka kacha na kacha mu minati komen ka gambia dingulta ke lafane hakilola ka gambia dingulta ka foy ko dunia mansal betama ka nyamen ondo banku dol la mansal betama ka nyamen pour comme kafu mule ton yawna gambela doya kana tinna memma nyana kela no be kering abedat le pour kana kafu nyoy ko bankol ka ta nyadile o bankol ka doku nyadile badi ngambien ko lu la fadron manta ka mejang maybe ni atarambe mela jang abekela maybe montoro minute tansa wadron maybe inshallah abekela wuda malati bani Gambian kol drong laftan nali kacha menna wala nyindi ko Gambia maralolu oranda mana maralalu e kam maralo ke nyame woronde tuliya mira memo maraloti anu Gambia fele dol kom botale mambo niajem kom mambo nala jibe mbari Gambian kolu ala jibe president Barrow fele kunun ko ay banyunu bate atata midon ke munto midon follow muntole follow kanumale ay midon ke kanuma abodo kanuma atata munto atata kabera follow la hakalang ko hakalang tonyalam hakalang silo me ya lonko kabirin saga wala keraba jawra jamano la ye silo nyum do kule bar silo nyen anana bata nyajam ko silo nyum do kule bari ye bero la kanne e bero la o silo kanne kabirin saga wala keraba jawra la jamano la ya jemenna ranyata kam mano la kan amam mano la kan ala la mako ro to president Barrow la maralo jamano le silo nyin fele eba imnaka doku Gambian kolu lafta doron pour na kacha menna wala mu ñindi ko Gambian kolu president Barrow fele kunu afindita mobe yalo ne nim president afindita ala dépense mu jelleti president na afindita ala state house ko no dépense mu jelleti president Barrow fele ay dépense ke kabo atara hakalang kunun ay silo yele hakalang aboda ji amanda woto governor's office president governor office oto ebe bungomel lo kam balibu kerawan governor's office do ko me yalon ko commence tale president Barrow ko akata udula la fana yele bari Gambian kolu tonya Gambia laftala nyaato la bam fum man laftala nyaato bar fo tonya Gambia masa kundale be tarla kamara lo kete ne bang Gambian kolu lafta drong na kacanying abe dependa men kan wolam nyindi ko gouverneur fo ajata la bang Gambia sain pour na gouverneur sodo ba ne atara nyi masa sifal le betar lambul ajata la bang pour na gouverneur office sodo bang barango fo ajata la bang pour na local government sodo bang local government ajata la bang pour na area council sodo bang ajata la bang pour na commandant kundal sodo na regional kan bon fo ajata la bang Gambia pour na regional soto bang karon yaajam ko ajata la fonna nyul soto bang Gambian ko ala jibe Gambia do ata baki num ko med diamula mebi ko be America fola e safa ko woto jam fotale America ra mararo ondo America tanya ondo America la woro anin Gambia man killing bar science nana ndro nakata nan kana Africa kana Nigeria fele me alon ka be jande Nigeria just here bara nunca mana Nigeria fanam fole safa ko ajam fatale sai na fa Mali banata non gombe Mali fanam fole safa ko ajam fatale sai safa ko Senegal ya jambe na diamo nyin tala mbalo la nyin dingral kam dugo Senegal fana ye ko non sodole Senegal ye ko man kundal sodole ye regional sodole ni ajibe ko e la Sejo region maybe safa ko e la Casamance region an Casamance fana regional soto le bar ni regional me yalon ko e ka foten ye governor le soto ye chairman le soto ye mayor le soto mayors anu ni mayor ñu wolam local government olti bar say ni atara man say local government na do ko ta jota la bam pour na local government soto bang a manjera pour na local government soto bar mi le kering masa kundal kam mina ke advantage ta banku dewol like advantage ta foirawol la e ka lafka foirawol ta ke ko dundu ñokono e ka lafka foirawol ta ka foirawol kumota ka jakasi ñim do ko manke do ko me yalon ko mansa ñanta ka wulile e ka fo e ka banku dewol ta e ka wol ko dundu ñokono bar wala tan kale ko alabe jibe rol la anu alabe tar la moye me yalon ko be tonya kan alaba jibe rol la anu alaba tar la moye me yalon ko be tonya la kan president Barrow enila masa kunda president Barrow enila molu al mantara siloka al Gambia dingul ma ko na Gambia bondi be Gambia bon la nyaadi wala ñu di ko bem bulo kele kilindi na ke bakilin fa kilindi na tonya fo ñoy ay sabati na kuma nam kunda la soto andum Gambia jo Gambia foiraw la kodo e kawol jo wolela na kiyamano le soto andum Gambia dewul la ke jo andum Gambia dewul le elek Gambia dunglu wala elek say ala fanya Gambian kolu na commandant kunda mene mula do kodi governor ga me commissioner mene mu commissioner la do kodi mene mu governor la do kodi say Gambian kolu lefta na wala kacha say mene mu governor la do kodi in the region. We expect the central government yataraje ka police deda. Central government, they have to be there. Ka police deda. Ka lual ta ke deda. Ka silol deda. Silol mali alonko. Mafo nungo silolu. Mantana ka foko komen mana silole. Komen baraka bundali yele. Komen ka silo ka foko banko be doku la sila jumale la. Central government la doko be kala wolti. Central government nyanda tarla lola wo sifa la kam. Yes. But central government manya nakara kunnin kuba dron man sayala moto mala kunnin kuba man sayala convoy mala kunnin kuba man sayenyu ala sojaro la kunnin kuba man sayenyu paramilitary la man so kwa kada o kunnin Gambia nyanta kabo man sakunda sifa kono le Gambia nyanta kabo politique sifa kono le but Gambia dugul mel yalla ko wolle be tubabu du Gambia dugul mel yalla ko wolle be banku dol kan Mansa, isafo ko bibi mansa kata ka yele. Mansa ka doko sikale. Local government empower. You have to empower the local government. Because local government wala ka banku de wala namo kanibulu. So that the local government will nyanta ka banku de wala namo men kan nyanta ka banko doku wala. Through the support of the central government. Ibajalo saying Doko in every region is going to be decentralized. It's going to be decentralized. But saying other Mansako, you are going to take all the credit. It am left local government will any credit shut up. Nyamo Daula governor, they are the representative of the president in every region. Governor will have president or representative in every region, and governors are there to do whatever the president can do. Governors can able to do it. Yes. So President Barrow left a kawole foye. Kadu ye gamen ko laidi o maral si falela. Development o mobile left ala. Anung President Nyantaka Banku Dumul inform about what? Anyantaka Banku Dumul inform. Banku Dumul right lela. Banku Dumul Nyanto Mansa Nyantaka Banku Dumul ta ke inform wala Banku Dumul ya understand. Mine mula Nyantoti, mine mu Banku Dingyati. President Nyantaka Banku Dumul. Wada ye access to the Banku Dumul ya kacha. Inyanta fula Banku Dumul ya. Mine mu Banku Dumul la nioti. Ni silo membe ko hakalan sanyi talul anin feng ñomi dengul be namo jokam ñomi dengul lawo namo ñing bi wala kata ka sehima kana ta banku dengul kan e ka foyo ko itele be do ko la o mun nandiri balet abe ko le banku dengul yela kododa ya safe in the bank say sure de la kodola yata ATM auto if you go to the ATM. If you don't save anything at the ATM, will you be able to get anything from the ATM? No. Yela kodota ya save bank. Mome ya lonko, for example, bani Gambian call. Among kodo save bank, ATM card kensa babulu. Ali amira natara, anu card kensa motara bank. I number press. Ali amira be kodla bondi, ada kodi bondi la no, because among fen save gear. But anytime. Because bari banku dewul ka kodo men jo e ka namo men jo wo namo nying is like an ATM for them. Anytime they need it, they're supposed to get it. Yanda ka access nole. They should be able to access that money anytime they need it. And that is the time. We are in that time now. The people of Nyomi dewulu, ya kodo jole, ya namo jole, they have been paying it. And anywhere else in the region, wherever the development is going, that those places, they deserve to get it. and the president have to inform them. The president must try to tell them, the president must make sure that the native of those places understand that you are not giving them down. It's their own money. And you, look, it's very simple, huh? Mr. President, you have to be serious. Seriously, you understand. Kana song, mole tare bara, ibe feeling dila. Ibe wurla dorom, ibe tila dorom. Imagine how much money you have spent yesterday. You could have spent yesterday for you to go to Bara. Hakalamoto, yabo akalang ida Kerawan. How much money you have spent? That money can able to buy was a machine clean for the central hospital. That's the way you think, and we expect to have such kind of government. Nyantaka o masakunda sival soto. Your governor soto liye, your chairman soto in every region. You expect those chairman, we expect those chairman and governors who will find your door. Okay, we expect to see that code. They are not just there to occupy that very office. Imanya na katara je come and kafoko governor officer no. Governor Dula manque comme un token santi. Governor is like a president. If you go into the law, you can able to apply a permit through a governor. Because a governor is the representative of in every region. So now are we telling you, or are you telling the government people that those representatives are not fit for the purpose? Are not fit for the purpose. That's what you are telling us. That is what you are telling us. It's very sad. Because why I am saying this, I have just seen the president and I have just seen their itinerary that the president is going to lay stone. What kind of stone? What kind of stone are you going to lay? What kind of stone? Gambia, are we going to just, to see our leaders going in this way? We have to wake up as soon as possible and stop them from this kind of useless, expenditures. We cannot develop as a country if we have to leave our leaders to behave like this. We have to put our hands together from the Bulo di Nyola as a country. We come out in large numbers and dictate our government, because our government, they are clueless. Our leadership is 100% clueless. Our leadership are 100% clueless. I am saying this because I know. But anybody, you are watching at me, you know very well, this is the way nations become developed. You have to decentralize development, and those in the access of development, in what development of the caring, for your decentralized. And you decentralized you have representative they only have to bring you a report. And the report they will bring you, report on report on Natala, Bankola development law. And if you are not comfort or if you are not happy about the report, you go and visit it. You go and visit. But you cannot say, ite bidala kaberola, ite na murukunanga kanaka develop. If you are serious, because you are a serious government. If you are serious, this is the way development kawala nyama. Look, Gambia, it's not all about politics, huh? It's not all about politics. We have to discuss policies, the way to develop our country. Imagine how many people were transported from Kombo here to Nyomi. They have to go through the ferry and they have not paying down. How many people is not even bought by this government? How many government vehicle? How many permanent secretaries? How many ministers? And any of those ministers who spend a single night outside is going to be paid. out of our state resources. Are we serious? Are we ready to develop our country, Mr. President? I am speaking to you as a brother. Whoever is advising you and telling you this is the way you're going to do it, the person is actually misadvising you. The person is not advising you, is not giving you a good advice, Mr. President. Momo ka for your call. Ite yenda talale. Silande silaba membe yenda yelala. Ite yenda talale kambero laje. They are not advising you, Mr. President. They are not helping you. Bango felon go kono man soto. Bango felon go konkole ben. Bango felon come man develop. We want to be left like a develop. Don't left like a develop. And this is the way we are going to do our development. This is all about politics. I know you are ready for politics. But Mr. President, this is not the way, huh? Ask your finance minister how much money you guys spent yesterday to go to Nyomi. And from Nyomi you went to Kerawan. But you have seen what happened in Kerawan. Ya jele men kada Kerawan. Kerawan manga sate, look, Kerawan manga sate batarati waya. But if you manga sate batarati, you might understand safi o nyama, you know. And I was sat over Barakandile, you know. But you know very well because you told us when you were in Kerawan in 2016, you know the promise you tell the people of Kerawan. Do you think we are fool? Ndol bulote mala de. Ndol bulote mala sata tio la mole be mala. Sata tio me ala sata olo ala sojarol kunu ni wala janjanyu to nyola. The political university itale afu ndamafu itako the political university is Kerawan Badibu. You went there, you promised them 3 years of band. All those meetings you were doing there, that time they were waiting on you. For when you were trying to get that government. Because you promised within 3 years, you're going to develop that place. Yeah, 3 years, you promised okay, 3 years. 3 years of banda. But Mr. President, yeah, 3 years of the Mamala, 3 years of the Mbamala, 3 years of the Minkila, 3 years of the Mbarinda. You have to resign. You have to give this country back. You can't promise many mafi within the 3 years. Within the 3 years, you can't promise Milan Yemenke, Mr. President. Ikada will have died. Mamala, but the woman goes at it. But in Goyako, Mr. President, I am just advising you. Maybe they will not tell you the truth. This is just Kerawan. I am advising you for God's sake. Don't go to Jambe Kunda. Jambe Kunda kane singolo woto. Jambe Kunda kane singolo woto fereng bani koma. Kana ta la. Badu manke batara sateti. Promise and fail. Promise and fail. Ile vakata wono just kantol nyaku. Amra badi mu world. Yola mira. Kerwana manke o sateti nak. Go and ask anybody. Tita nyinin karo kebang. They will not tell you. Ita fole. But go and ask. Try to ask. Because I know there are people they are from Kerawan. Nyinin kabang. Let them tell you the truth. They told you about the history of Badibu. The history of Kerawan. It's very important you know the history of every place. But wallahi, nta Quran o kono. Nyum kol bebe gele na la jibe. Quran o kono nda je ba tara yel. Kunu menkata. Lo na la le nyun kay ba fulale le taman sero mu minute. During the time of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam, ni sifal ketala num. But anyway, nta jam follow kono because ndo lallo ndo man jam fawoto. But the Taliban nyanta ke ma ko le ya fo you know, mitama sero mu minute. They will look, Mr. President, you have to understand. Gambians are ready to develop this country if you are ready. $116 million you still want Gambians to support you? 116 million aliyo le fay nyamo ko na atolo ko banko dingul yal support gambia ko atolo ko badi mun ko le kafa atolo ma keron ko fale keron mi ro satellite keron man go satellite you know so guys come be na kachani it's not a joke. I'm just trying left a minute wrong mbeya kata dron na nyoso hakilola. Yes, political media am laele, but nim boda political kono kodol beje fonna wol kacha na nyoso hakilola woto. Governor be dulado tarene. You have regional governors everywhere. Itaraje ka regional governor tarajele. Not bank regional governor sotole, imuta ko ngey chairman soto. Elected by the Gambian people, elected by the people of North Bank. What is the purpose? What is the importance of a governor? What is the importance of a governor in a region? But say president or governor of Dakota are hijacked. The governor and president of Dakota are hijacked. Governor and chairman of Dakota hijacked. The central government is not giving what they're supposed to give to the the local government. What is the purpose of a local government? Saying, idan bani nyomi ko ngadi amul tele saying. Idan me yalon ko idan mu nyomi jongolete. E ka kan fo. Ega any language for ega kawo kam fo maka dia mutule te nyomi ko eta me ya longo eta mu nyomi dingole President Barrow Allah di wadu jumala ka be si nyomi silo do kula hey nara don ka to nya faale Kabin President Barrow atay kabin President Barrow findita gale ko wallahi do wallahi ala subhanahu wa ta'ala President Barrow kabira be banko nyine kan aka kuma balle fo an ana kuma balle mel yalon ko ayefo o kuma balle nyulu bi gaye ko look Mr. President, I am telling you this. You might not understand it and you will still go. But you have to understand, it's not me. This is Allah la call you be Allah. You know call you mu yela ID milala Birijo. Birijo answer Birijo buka fem moy wala ko. You call kabri be tola nu you call ID milala nu. You call lahidi 2016 you call lahidi milala ko ibera silo do kulale. I remember Osilo President Barrow suta bala yo silo bori. During 2016. Yomi dingul sita suda ba. I remember Kabrim Futana Bakalar. Bakalar unkolo Faidum Bakalar kono. But the swallow kuokama. Imandu no Bakalar Sato kono. Ikobe nyomi la silo do kula sanji saba Mr. President bolo kono sanji saba yela hidi wala iko sanji saba ko be menkela President imake so the promise is failed. It's a failed promise. Sanji nani njawete bolo kono sanji nani sanji saba yola fo nyomi kole sanji nani imure kan anung ekata nyomi. Instead of winning your call discourse, what they need after a lifetime no kodange, ekada ko kuma ba fo le, ekada ko mole tailing. Bari ta nyomi ko me alon ko kan diamu e. Ita nyomi mbama mbetel la mbama. Ita nyomi muso, ita nyomi funding keo, ka diamu tele. Ngo silo me alon ko ya kulli kunum, silo ni ila kodolemu, imma mala kodolemu, ifama la kodolemu, immu mula kodolemu. Anu ita nyomi gonga fo ele ko ni tara tonya sembo balale akodo ba bulu on ngani bala ala kake ala fi sabilillah on ngani bala pour kal jo ale men kay ale sulo nyaaja men kay in 2016 ngani balale ale karto faye na dara amala silo doku contracto me sanji kabi ya jamba jamano lam ala bagaso be loru nyomi mena person baro ma look hey wala nan kale ko ita nyomi ko nara don ni yakata di wala banko be dizab banko be nyanta ka development o sotole manana person baro ya ta kanule person baro e memfo abe wala kekam mina yatina 2017 2018 Baro Kadatul Kam, when you need your vote again, it's like you do me, I do you. So I call President Baro Yatul Police le, I told you that development so the water menna, amana water for time me along a sulot la carteola. When you decide ko, tomorrow me I decide ko atabelo election or tomorrow President Baro kana kakatola silodoku. Atolko, you people are going to support that person? I am telling you, you are just going to put him. You are just going to put him to the office and about ignore and telling him failure. Bangu dewul. Yenu wa nyomi. Suma mboga bi yenu wa nyomi la nek di waxal ni de. Suma olof bi setut nak ba mané ma ñew mu wax yeen. President Barrow lu mu waxon ak yeen ana loolu la nekk di def defut loolu 2016 time President Barrow time bu mu jógee time bu mu duggoon opinion bi loolu guddi la on loolu guddi la guddi boobu noonu promise bu mu leen joxoon def na ko defut ko def leen promission ne moom dina defar seen yoon ana defar leen seen yoon defaroon seen yoon so fekk ne moom dëgg-dëgg moom daf leen bugga dëgg-dëgg moom dafa bugga delloo njugal boo xam ne boobu ngeen ñoo jox so fekk ne moom daf leen bugga delloo njugal guddi boobu noonu yéen nelawutan dangeen toog guddi ba dangeen toog xaar ko ba mu ñëw ngeen voté ko guddi boobu noonu den toog xaar ko mu ñëw moom mu wax lu leen bugg a wax yëpp wax leen ko après loolu yéen dangeen jël seen voté bi voté ko jox ko office bi time boobu noonu moom promise am lan mooy nekkoon promise am lan la waxoon ak yéen daf leen promise ne moom ñetti at moom mu ne ñetti at soo leen ko voté ñetti at dina defar seen yoon soo fekkee moom moo amoon doole soo fekkee ne moom mu ngi amee xaalis boobu noonu soo fekkee ne moom dafa xamoon loolu si xolam wax boobu noonu dafa àgg si xolam président Barrow seen yoon time bi ni defar na ko lu tax defarul seen yoon moom defarul seen yoon mu xaar ba mu gis ne moom léegi dafa bugga nekk président dafa bugga pour ngeen voté waat ko comme like président Barrow moom daf leen police yéen waa ñoomi daf leen police lii police maintenant lii police maintenant ñaata yoon lu dangeen ko ñaan ñaata yoon nga ko yoon hakalang yooni hakalang defar suñu yoon jox leen courant ba lu tax moom joxut leen 3 years leen promission 3 years bi dem la ba mu jeexee yéen waa ñoomi soo président Barrow def leen xool comme yéen ay tooy ngeen loolu la foog mu ne yéen ay tooyi leen loolu la leen bugg a loolu la nekk di wax soo dem leen ñaan ngir yàlla ngeen toog xalaat ku leen promise ñetti at la leen promise mu ne balaa ñetti at bi jee mu ne moom dina defar seen yoon balaa ñetti at bi jee mu ne moom dina leen jox électricité dina leen jox courant jox na leen daa joxut leen yéen waa ñoom yi yéen laa nekk di waxal de suma xolof bi setut nag bon am naa la lu ma wax nii yéen yëpp dégg ngeen ma ñun dañoo wax de ba affaire bi yëpp si yéen leen des dama leen bëgg a wax nii rek dama leen bëgg a laajte yéen waa ñoon lan mooy soxla pour ñu am gouverneur o lan mooy soxla pour ñu am chairman si région dama leen bëgg a laajte rek yéen waa mbokk yi yéen waa ñoom yi laa leen bëgg a laaj ma ne leen ne gouverneur bu nekk keroon ban liggéey lan mooy liggéeyam wax leen ma ko chairman bi lan mooy liggéeyam bon naka la ñoo mun a liggéey soo fekkee ne nguur bi joxul leen xaalis soo fekkee ne nguur bi dëgg dëgg joxul leen xaalis naka la ñoo mun a liggéey ñaata at seen maam yi seen papa yi seen maam yi ñaata at ñu ngi fayal seen lampo bi ñaata at seen xaalis boobu noonu boobu la ñoo jël nii pour développer soo fekkee ne président Barrow dëgg-dëgg moom moo ko mun soo fekkee ne moom dëgg-dëgg moom lu mu wax loolu la bëgg a def o soo fekkee ne moom dafa amoon doole boobu noonu lu tax moom dafa doon yoon dafa doon ko ba député yi suñ député yi ñoo ko approuve kon den yéen dañoo war xam ne seen xaalis la kan moo voté député yi pour ñu dem si house bi yéen yaa voté député yi pour ñu dem si house bi soo kon seen suñ député yi ñoo nekkeen di liggéey brothers mbadi ngamiyankolu because it's very important sometimes we try to speak multiple languages lefta ɗon naali e kaca menna wolam ñindi ko so kuuta ñawya ñama na jele ko pour naali na naali e kaca na kaca kumo mominati bi wolam ñindi ko gambiyankolu toñatoñon to lefta développement ola la bang famma lef développement ola bat fa toñatoña gambiyan kada ñamen ndol bettule wala ñama bang bari fantola ñaton kolu wolu bettula ñim maya sifa la bang wato wati dron ite ɓe wulla doron inen kafo e kiliñoti you are already a president ite fo ngoya fole iko dow kuo wole ɓeyta tulaji e dow kuo say sit in your office sit e dow kuo ke si state house e dow kuo ke naba ñama national road authority iyenta ka officer soto in all the regions iyenta ka officer soto in all the regions not bank ñanta ka fasu officer soto le LRR ñanda ka fasu officer soto CRR ñanda ke fasu officer soto URR ñanda ke fasu officer soto National Road Authority ila do ko be keleminati e nil local government la ñanda ka do ko ke local government ñanda ka ko do dila central government ñanda ko do dila local government la local government ni National Road Authority or local government ni whatever development community will ni do ko ke left kalta during the time of EDF la wato la nung nale ajibe nung akaka nyadi le they work with the local government so Gambian kolu nyanda katala le na politique nya faleng Mr. President ifele kokata ibe million jelle tale ibe use le kokata nyim dulal mel beyele iko kata berla la nyim dulal mel beto ila convoy o damma ibe million jelle tale ibe men dépense la million jelu ngoy ko Mr. President ilo nya ni opposition lo nya man killing opposition mo be banko nyuno la ite banko detail already e banko di la say ite len Gambia dewul la enen Gambia dewul même ba tema wala ñu diko doko sit in your office yep wala tan ye minister soto ye minister le soto minister mel yalo ko wolu ningri e la local government authority la nyanta ka doko ke e bayalo ko every region doko e kenoje dunia ka bankol ka develop wala nyama lafta kal haklo be do nal haklo bakam America kabinta mo ya lonko ye mo fi mo faaje Donald Trump nana droit diam la signa killing kaba bodola ila regional governors of the states wala kana ni banko ni mulka diamu governor la ka diamu governor of the state wala ni la local authority ka si ka kacha ka je ko what ejanda kamila ke governor atal mel yalon ko be America, you know it very well. Atal mel yalon ko be any part of the world, the governor of London, the governor of Manchester, the governor of Liverpool. So president wakatara sirine, president wajebe jelo don kafoko alaketeng. And then they will bring you the report. But report of Samalena, or report on Niatara, Nana Kodanke, Yela Molki Kodanke, Yata Yajibeka, verify. If you want to go there, that's the time you have to go and see whether ye banko na full because it banko bela de tella, banko jumole sembo di tella, Mr. President. But along with the one if in the fanang, eka banko na full le spend. Eka banko na full eko le spend. Eka banko na full le spend. Barakana de kuya bati. Me modo la moy kan nung audio do la moy kan. But I understand to wa adama din sival fana bejende because yalo adama dum mel yalo ko kumotela. Adama dum mel yalo ko miro tela wala ka o diam nya sifake. Ako another president Baroka molle fa. Ako another president Baro manta do kula keka. Ako they will support President Baro. Ako they will support President Baro. It's fine, no problem. It's our support no le. Because itala miro lenta woleto, itala miro lenta woleto. Ko adama dungu nyanda tara balo ko e confirma. Itala miro lenta woleto. I believe in democracy. The son of democracy lale. Mo mo na ilafta men folo do afo, mo mo na ilafta men safe la safe. Bari tambe yalon ko be safero wallahi ni ala tema yalon de kam men safe yalon de kam men fo anu yalon de ibe men ke kam ni Gambia banko on tolle tam anu ni Gambia banko on tolle ba dala no bar ni momo ni ya mero ko ite ko mo ka ko ha President Baro ite bo le normala on the any other president me ya lonko amantara ka Gambia diwul la nyantoke e ko taka wala support ya mi ranum fo kundi nete eni Gambia diwul o hakolete ni Gambia diwul tema ite ya me de sir in Spain ite ya me de sir in America ite ya me de sir in Germany they are paying you and you tanya jele ko German wal German ila president o be do ko ke ka nyame ite ya londe but it is German, well, president, minimal doco, and the way he is working. It is all London. But it is a mirror, yet for Toyota. It is president, Obela Banco Sambaka, or Yamaba. If I'm a begin, Ibama begin. Ale Yetlen Nibo Kanata Mola. Elanga niyo nyanda kala men wala nyindi ko o bankol me la ngoy bekam o bankol develop nyamen o bankol be maralo ke ka nyamen ida fana nyanda ka hamo soto ka je ko ila bankol do ko ke o nyama ila bankol do ko nyama we know it's very late. I know it's very late. But ngajela it's always important ni pour kanaja nalia kacha. Pour kanaja nalia kacha. I will not block anyone, and I will not stop anybody. Electrical men for Yafo. But Gama for banning Gambian Kolo. Especially funding Kyolu. Na Banko to Laba develop the law. Na Banko to less develop no. Allah ke bakilin fakilin na Banko develop. Allah ke bakilin fakilin na Tonya for na Masakundai. Sometimes not funding you, you take funding you, yes, ye mira. It be seeing anywhere else in the world. It be several killer. It be several killer. It be more attack la. You tonya long, you code tonya la. You code tonya la. And this reminds me. Gambia dewulu airport me ya lonko ya jembe ya lo be ya jembe ya lo million jelle la ni Masakunda na just for renovation me fo ya lonko fo sidula fo ima sidula kendo fo ima dino ima daje ni Masakunda na ko airport just ko quand ka airport na don ka Gambia so but mile problème odi ñimbe continuer la because mile kata Gambia dewul ye bande ka diamu Gambia dewul ye bande ka findike la kam fa tan di bankul ñim banko la banko bu ka di bala bo ñama nali Masakunda bu lo ñama Masakunda be ter la ka wasifa don leke aliamire ya be lonne and they knows very well but ila intentional mil wala imale banko e ta ñaato ila taka banko dundu julu jamal la ñu OSC même kana ka be airport o mala OSC kana ita ko be airport do kula already defele ye million jelleta me alok ye men dundi pour que airport do ka renovate and again they are going to do another work in that airport again and kodo jo ko tanke and Gambians you think is a grant among a grant OSC almost 60% of OIC is all loan. Ye banku dewul la kodota ya do ni airport o kunto. Airport o me ya lonko ya jembe airport o men lo. Ya jembe kamera airport o nyul lokam amam kodo men spenje nyul koye o kodo lo spenje. Mesiata uti. Allahu Akbar. Aliyami reforma lo ya lonne they knows it very well. Ya lon very well. They knows very well ko. Iba Gambia dum la kodo tinyakang. Ya lon ko very well ko. Kodo me ya lon ko ya fo ima dundu nyunto. Bari lefta ko kodo leta ka samba sama e ko kata ka politiko le kala e ko kata bangu dewul ka bangu dewul la ka bangu dewul san. It's too sad. It's too sad. Bangudul la kodo yoleta. Iko kana ka bangudul ta ka bangudul ta ka bangudul ta. It's too sad. Ako fo ndi mira le buka understand. Ni mira ko you cannot just understand it.
Nyaro menge ni sanyi nano kono yaja me fama mo yaja me nala Masakunda ma oke ila sanyi nano folo kono bari latest wano menketa tinyar lama menketa me ala nga keta mol be bulu ni toro da keta bar ferete je se mona keno wolem Gambia la airport de ko je renovate comme ka je dada kuke penturo lebe sanna dula dol be design la you know ibe dula dol ajos la doman linke o sifal ko be ni la bo kotota inata ye ilafde la bo dada la private ya ibe dula dol sukila ibe dula dol rakle ibe dula dol peinture la you know ibe design ol kala dula dol to ibe silim kala dula dol yole ke Gambia la airport to bari wo manke tanati wo bete atale wonde problem bari niaju be Gambia la airport o yalo biri balo la million tang Gambia la airport o million tang yalo wala bari Adama Barrow na la ñu mul na de to law renovation o ka airport o da ka peinture ka design ni ko lege million tang anin nani so sai airport o ko design ka renovate ka dada kuke wala da jawyata airport o fama lo ran ko dot ñine ya sabun ka diam ñine ya sabu malla fi Adama Barrow na la masa kundal tiñar la lemot Gambia ko do almost 1 billion ni covid problem o biranata almost 1 billion yo wala budget yo wala pasar yo wala budunde ko kunna pour ka ke Gambia kunto bari muna nata ke wa hafo fo la mo futa Gambia nol itata Gambia da wada sato talante o be wala men siato de sa fo ko Adama Barrow iko be manu men samala dam maaji wala ko be tulo men samala dam maaji wala ko be sukuro men samala dam maaji mol dam mal be nyoma ko e kan ka fol dam mal be nyoma ko e kan almost 1 billion ye motolu sanjanne commissioner ko Gambia man sakunda ni Tarik Musa manyan na business okela bari motolu tata sa million wala wo tari libani so nyumbul ñine ya sabun tol man la fi Adama Barrow la bi man la fa la soma man la fa la man sakunda la adum ala na da kay roke biriñin constitutional review programme o keda yeba luwato molu men yale sonno mo futa baake la ko mo futa baake bu ke mira ito lu be donkan ka celebrate ko ñi loi ku do men nata ya samba député bu ngoro ya felta iko celebrate ni ma lonko wo metol febo because muna nan ko ame febo Gambia be nyamen bi loi 97 loi men fu wala mi ñinte ko ni carte of fighter simple majority menta siata menti dorom because loi bu ko kuto way ñine foko ibe ni cemo kono le be tallulu soto la wala tallul din kiling otumo le tamare be kala winlati yeke mansat bar 1997 constitution o way ñine foko simple majority hanni moye dan carte kese kilin la amari e win la so bibi lala al ngin tilin ñoy bang nakarote je Gambia bibi lala pati juma lebe isafu jiko soto pati juma le ka fa ko to lebe simple majority soto la ni carte fa keta na ma ke UDP bare summun boku mun umuyun ibu ka understand ibe donna ibo celebrate la ika mira ko misal fe ku kendel keta Gambia wa tara 1 million cheme million tan anu woro wala du dañu kokul Adama Barrow la fam lafta yeke ay million cheme million tan anu wora wala du da kokul saya asamba parlemento to inata yo fuel ko do ñew danaka programme ni ko men be keta wodo yo be mutal yo ñomo ñomi data fay do speed ko ñine asabu ndol man la fi Adama Barrow la man la fa la ko fa fen so men ka message yo fa nan transfer ka sama plan ni message yo fa na sama ya ala baraka tan be ko al ba di mala analysis
so ale amwele so Gambia ñila be caring elephant walk abebe kela wallet be banko la kono tala e batala ñewte ma dorom anu banku dumul be siring nyabala banku dumul be siring fomol ya kalamuta bari say malaf ka act ñinam problème oti because Masakunda ya jele ko ye nidia ku jama balke banku dumul la banku dumul nyaaya zaharan banku dumul man diamu wala yatina Masakunda ba jama la kele ko tanke men keta mu domon dumul alka ñi membe moy tan ñi be mu domon dumul ti wala yatina people like gay construction ye do ko di ala janne ye banko be bal ye banko dimo be bali ya Gambia dingul be balala ya sika yadi gele yadi ala milaka ma for what reason because milaka da kick back ko e bolo so la je and if fele muta kono ke e ko kata ni marsa wol mel fanalo ya contract ko sika yadi the same person la gay and Gambian people are quiet Gambian ko be der how many contractors are in this country contractor jelle be nyim banko kanjam bari bebe der inde mota mam mankela anytime Tonya ya the mol findira ko Tonya doron avec le UDP doron de because UDP doron le masakundate UDP doron le mu patio me ya lonko right now they always stand kaje ko nyim banko kan they will never allow such kind of rulings guys so kuda it's very important Brunal ko kacha but it's too short. It's too short. These are some of the messages na men sotale. So kuta nyama nalye ko it's very important for nalye kacha. Domba fulale ko mama la kumol la do ko lam mama la kumol la do ko lam so kumol mel yalla ko nata ye kolle ni kacatale e bar ila piaro même fo ali la moyo fanana
assalamu alaikum badi Gambian kulu mbe men ka drawlo nyinti ko kumula kumala be mi alon ko wala Mr. Woody asinani kolbe fo munade ne tol fon fintira president la mol kambire be meeting wala fara fenya sate kono Mr. Piaro ite nyin kolbe flotano nyaadile sate mol be la moy kam banko mol be la moy kan ise kol 5 kan kolbe kata nyaadile you know la hedo men ka kaba wole kela amma wala hedo le timbandi wali atol kumul fanan kam fa fitira kama alafta kabun sa law nyim finto kono fal na president fon sotol bon fondum albulo man fota tema albulo man fota president nyol dum ale mun ke walla ale jama man to raje katon fana yo mo ki waro to ko jama be la loptano to le koral mam mol dol bu itulo kono katon kumo na le hare ma do buntulo kono rek ko wati do ka ma si bolti je alma mo butulo ko barka nyakun kon le tindi anen ka kebal boro na le o kala ka dun kebal haftanol kono so nyin kumol dum mune fom dalilo de fal fintida kumu kensen dem bam fal ni badi bun kol bel ka futa nyokan biko soro fana mol jahal la kian kol jahal bage kian kol ba fa ka badi bun ko fom modol fon yel bata kumote men yalon ko e ma be tan nyin koto e se mune fono woto